जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Sriramachandra Swami along with Sitamma and Lakshmana Swami walking inside the ashramam towards Agastya Mahamuni. When Agastya Mahamuni heard that Ramachandra Swami entered ashramam, he along with all his disciples going towards Ramachandra Swami to receive Sri Ramachandra Swami. Tam dadarsa agrato Ramo. Because Agastya Mahamuni is very much excited, he is walking ahead of all the disciples. Now Rama is looking at all the disciples along with Agastya Mahamuni and saying to Lakshmana that, "Oh Lakshmana, he is the one Agastya Mahamuni who is walking ahead of all the disciples because he is glowing Deeptate Jasam. He has so much of divine glow. That is how we can recognize that, we can identify that he is Agastya Mahamuni." Rama also very much excited to see Agastya Mahamuni and immediately went to Agastya Mahamuni and Jagraha Paramapritaha with so much of respect and affection. Tasya padau parantapaha. Ramachandra Swami touched the feet of Agastya Mahamuni and did Sashtanga Namaskaram. Then Sitamma and Lakshmana Swami also did Namaskaram to Agastya Mahamuni. Agastya Mahamuni disclosed a warm welcome to three of them, offered water for them to wash their feet, and offered seats for them to sit. And then Agastya Mahamuni asking Rama, "How are you doing?" Then Agastya Mahamuni finished his puja and he is now about to arrange lunch for Sitamma, Ramachandra Swami and Lakshmana Swami. At that moment, Agastya Mahamuni saying to Rama, "Oh Rama, let me go and conclude my homam, which is called Vaisvadevam Agnikaryam. Without doing that Agnikaryam, I should not be offering lunch to my guest. If I do like that, what happens, Rama? It is like if someone gives a wrong witness, that person, when he departs from the body, in other words, he will be eating his own meat, his own flesh. That is what is the consequence of giving a wrong, false witness. So the same result also will be there if I do offer lunch, if I do offer meals to my guest without doing Vaisvadeva Agnikaryam. That is why, Rama, let me go ahead and finish my Agnikaryam and then I will offer lunch to you all." Agastya Mahamuni went and finished that and came back and now saying to Rama that, "Oh Rama, Raja Sarva Lokasya, Sarvasya Lokasya, for all the worlds, you are the one who is the king, Rama. Rama Dharmachari, Rama, you are Dharmachari, you are so righteous, you are an embodiment of Dharma. Rama, you are Maharadhaha, Pujaniyascha, Manyascha, you are very well respected man. You are very well worshipable man in this entire world." And Agastya Mahamuni also saying that, "Rama, I am very much excited. I am feeling so much happy to see you here." And then Agastya Mahamuni arranged all kind of fruits and herbs, flowers, so many things for Rama to enjoy the food. Phalaihi, pushpaihi, moolaihi, pujayitva. That is how Agastya Mahamuni satisfied Sri Ramachandra Swami. Then Agastya Mahamuni showing few things to Ramachandra Swami, O Rama, idam divyam mahachapam Vaishnavam. Here is a big divine bow, Dhanusu. This is called Vaishnava Dhanusu, Vishnu Dhanusu. This is built by Vishwakarma. O Rama, here is another arrow. This is given by Brahma. And here is another container in which so many arrows are there. It never ever gets emptied. Such is the container of the arrows. O Rama, there is another sword that is given by Devendra. This container also given by Devendra. O Rama, this bow, Vishnu Dhanusu, was used by Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu in killing all the demons. Rama, this is all for you. Dattva Ramaya Bhagavan Agastyaha. That is how Agastya Mahamuni showed everything to Rama and saying that, Rama, this is all for you. You please take. And Agastya Mahamuni gave everything to Rama and Punarabravit. Now he is saying like this, Agastya Mahamuni to Ramachandra Swami. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.